We're going to talk about why lighting is so important when picking the right slab. First, let's see what Tech Renata from FHIA has for us today.
I just finished filming a segment for hurricane preparedness, and the person that I was speaking with asked me a great question. They said, if you're the consumer, if you're the homeowner, what's the most important part when looking to do this project? What is the thing that's #1 priority that you have to get right? And we've talked a lot throughout the years about different types of hurricane windows, different glass options, different frames. All those are pretty important. But when put on the spot and asked the question, my answer was the installation. Now for the consumer and the homeowner, how do we identify the contractor that will provide us the absolute best installation? Because when the hurricane's coming and we made this investment in protecting our home and our family, the windows are going to be pretty important. But what's really going to matter most is the team of installation crews that were conscientious enough and cared enough to make sure the absolute best job was done to ensure your family's safety. So when looking to do this project, again, there's going to be so many decisions you're going to have to make. But the most important part is going to be who's going to be responsible for making sure this installation is done perfectly. So make that decision and make sure with your confidence knowing that the contractor you choose has the best certified, factory trained, conscientious crews that really care about doing a great job. I recently stopped by an installation and I was amazed at the additional work that was required to ensure the safety for the family. A lot of times when we remove a window that had never been removed from the home in sometimes over 30 years, and a lot of times homes weren't built for really strong hurricane windows, they were just built for single pane, regular windows, a lot of additional work has to be made to ensure that the whole opening is as secure as the window we're putting in. So really make sure you're choosing the best product and also put a lot of thought into who's most capable of doing a great job and a great installation for you and your family. It's going to be really critical when a hurricane comes that that's done correctly. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.